Hi everybody, Dr. Joe Dispenza here. And so there's been numerous experiments on mental rehearsal to show that we can change our brain just by thinking differently. Your brain is typically a record of the past, but if you rehearse properly and you start to decide who you're going to be in some future, and you begin to put yourself into the scene, and you begin to live in that future reality in the present moment as you rehearse it, the brain doesn't know the difference between the actual experience and what you're rehearsing in your mind. So you begin to install neurological hardware in your brain to look like the experience has already happened. Now, the brain is no longer a record of the past, it's starting to become a map of the future.